To troubleshoot Bill4Time payroll integration, start by understanding the basics of the integration process. Bill4Time is a time and billing software that integrates with various payroll systems to streamline the payment process. When issues arise, it is essential to identify the source of the problem to resolve it efficiently. First, verify that the payroll integration is set up correctly within Bill4Time. Check that the correct payroll provider is selected and that all necessary account information is accurate and up to date. Ensure that the integration is enabled and that any required credentials, such as API keys or login credentials, are properly configured. Next, review the payroll integration sync history to identify any errors that may have occurred during the synchronization process. Check for any error messages or warnings that may indicate the source of the problem. Common issues include incorrect account mapping, invalid credentials, or missing data. If the issue persists, check the payroll provider's status page for any outages or maintenance that may be affecting the integration. Also, verify that the payroll provider's API is functioning correctly and that any required dependencies, such as JavaScript or cookies, are enabled in the browser. Another crucial step is to ensure that all employee and vendor information is accurate and consistent across both Bill4Time and the payroll system. Verify that employee IDs, names, and payment information match exactly in both systems to avoid any synchronization errors. To further troubleshoot, try resyncing the payroll data or rerunning the payroll integration process. If the issue is related to a specific employee or vendor, try resyncing only that individual's data to isolate the problem. Best practices for troubleshooting Bill4Time payroll integration include regularly reviewing the sync history, verifying account information, and ensuring data consistency across both systems. By following these steps and understanding the integration process, you can efficiently identify and resolve any issues that may arise, ensuring a smooth and accurate payroll process.